Hello everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening. Am I audible to you?
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello.
Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Now let me ask you all one thing, that if you want to learn a new language, what exactly you do? What is your idea about it? If you want to learn any new language, I'm not talking about English, any new language, what are the actionables, what are the activities you have to do to learn that language? Anyone?
Ma'am, first we will learn the basics of that language.
Basics. Anyone else?
Like,
We start speaking.
We start speaking. Okay. Varnika?
We start listening.
We start listening. Great. Someone is telling, Mrs. Mala is telling that we start speaking. Varnika is telling that we start listening. Rishi Raj?
ma'am, I also think start listening.
Start listening. Okay. Right, you both are right, Rishi Raj and Varnika, and I want to tell you all, Shreyans is listening to me, Khushi and Ruchi and Harsh, Abhiraj. Let me tell you one thing, that yes, listening is most important thing. Whenever a kid takes birth, after that, more than 2 years, he or she has been listening to his or her mother tongue. Isn't it right? And after that, he or she starts speaking. So whenever you start learning any language, the process includes 4 things. 2 are active and 2 are passive. So you learn by reading, writing, listening and speaking. Here you all know that reading is passive thing. You are not the creator, you are reading the content written by someone else. Here you can read any book, any novel, your textbooks, newspapers, magazines, you can read anything. And when it comes to writing, you can write anything, but I'm suggesting you to write diary. In the night, every day, write diary for 15 minutes and 40 minutes read something good of your choice which interests you to write. So 1 hour you have to devote daily for reading and writing, and 1 hour you have to devote for speaking practices, and 1 hour you have to listen to the language which you want to learn, right? So as far as speaking practices are concerned, it is difficult to speak 1 hour, so I am just dividing it into few parts, 4 parts. Okay, so one is in the morning, whenever you get up, you can start self-talk. You can start speaking to yourself that yes, whatever you are going to do whole day, means you can plan your day and you can talk to yourself that I'm going to do these things. I'm going to discuss this with my mom, I'm going to just talk to my friends, I'm going to call him up, I'm going to just clean my wardrobe. You can speak to yourself these things. Okay, this way you are going to speak for 15 minutes. Again, in the night you can speak for 15 minutes. Okay, for 15 minutes means you can again talk to yourself that you are like you have done with all these things, you have already completed these tasks, you haven't completed this task, whatever you planned in the morning you couldn't complete that, or you completed that, you are satisfied or you are disappointed, whatever you are feeling that time, you can write down in diary and you can speak up to yourself. So this way 15 minutes you are talking to yourself in the morning and 15 minutes you are talking to yourself in the night. So here half an hour you are speaking and you are having half an hour more to speak, that you can speak with your friends, with your parents, with your pets also you can speak. And here in my class you can speak, you are speaking, you are giving answers to my questions and you are talking to your classmates also. So here you can speak 15 minutes or half an hour, or you can speak 15 minutes to half an hour with your family members. And if nobody is ready to talk, and even you are not in my class, means you are absent some days, like you are having examinations or you are sick or you are having some other issues, you are not able to attend my class, that time you just go to mirror, you go to washroom and speak to yourself, looking at the mirror. So this is the thing. Means 15 minutes you are planning your day, 15 minutes you are concluding your day, and half an hour you have to manage in between, means during daytime. Okay, so it is 1 hour of speaking. 1 hour of listening is that in the class, if you are in my class, 45 minutes you are listening to me or you are listening to your classmates. But few days you are not having classes, so those days you can listen to any serial, any series, any episode of half an hour. I will tell you not to watch movies, because movies are of 3 hours. It is difficult to watch movies, so it is wastage of time. So let me tell you one thing, that try to listen to good news channels, English news channels, English podcasts, English videos of your choice. Do these things. Okay, so you are having these things to do as far as listening is concerned. You are speaking also, you are reading your textbooks or magazines or novels, or even on internet you can read the material of your choice, the content of your choice, and you have to write down your diary in the night. This way you are spending 3 hours with English or with any language which you want to learn. So you are exposed to that particular language. Here we are just working on English, because public speaking is very much associated with English, especially in India. You all know this, that if you want to be a public speaker, you have to improve your English. If you want to develop your personality, if you want to develop your soft skills, you have to improve your English. Isn't it right? So my dear students, let me tell you one thing, that do this. 3 hours you have to devote to your language, your English, and this way you are devoting 90 hours per month, and you are devoting 540 hours in 6 months. And I'm just going to tell you, believe me, you are going to be comfortable. You are not going to be an expert, but you are going to speak English like anything. It will come out from you. It will, it will flow like anything. You will be fluent. Follow my these, steps. And now I'm just going to start the class.